A single UGC video from a human creator costs $200 to $2,000. Takes a week or two to get back. An AI UGC tool does the same thing in 2 minutes for basically nothing. So think about what that means for testing. A DTC brand running 30 ad variants used to burn $6,000 to $60,000 a month. That same volume now costs $50 to $120. That's not a marginal improvement. That's a completely different business model. And this isn't theory. Eileen Lee at Nano Foam, $19,000 in ad spend turned into $69,000 in sales. That's a 3.73x ROAS. Wayne's Reeves is hitting 3 to 4x across his whole campaign portfolio. These are documented numbers from real operators. Now here's what most people miss. This opportunity isn't just for DTC brand owners. Affiliates, agencies, solo creators building AI influencer accounts, even someone with a digital product who just needs more ads. There are at least 4 distinct paths to money here. But before we get into those paths, let's make sure we're on the same page about what AI UGC actually is. UGC is those casual talking head videos, the ones that outperform polished ads 3 to 5x because they feel real. AI UGC is the same thing, except the person talking doesn't exist. Here's the tech stack underneath. You've got generative video models like Cdance 2.0 and VO3 creating the footage. Over 1,000 photoreal AI actors covering every demographic you'd need. Voice synthesis that sounds genuinely human. And then auto-captioning, B-roll, music, all baked into the workflow. You don't need 5 tools anymore. And 2026 is when it all flipped. The quality crossed the uncanny valley. Viewers genuinely cannot tell the difference anymore. Cost dropped 100x. Speed went from days to minutes. And the ROAS data? It matches or beats human UGC. That's the inflection point. So let's break down the 4 ways people are actually making money with this. Each one has a different risk profile, different upside, different time commitment. Path 1. Run UGC ads for your own product. DTC, SaaS, app, course, whatever. You generate 20 to 30 ad variants a week. Run them on Meta, TikTok, Instagram Reels. Kill the losers fast. Pour money into the winners. Your creative cost is $49 to $119 a month instead of $5,000 to $50,000 with a traditional agency. Path 2 is the agency model. And honestly, this might be the best margin play I've ever seen. You charge brands $1,500 to $5,000 a month for 30 UGC ad variants. Your tool cost is $69 to $119. That's 90% plus margins. Get 10 clients and you're at $15,000 to $50,000 a month, recurring. Path 3. Affiliate marketing with AI UGC layered on top. This one's sneaky good. You're already paying for traffic as an affiliate. Adding AI UGC creative doesn't meaningfully change your ad cost, but conversion rates jump 2 to 5x. Same spend, way more commissions. The math just works. Path 4 is the long game. Build an AI influencer persona. Pick a niche, fitness, beauty, lifestyle. Post daily. People genuinely cannot tell in short-form video. Once you cross 50,000 followers, brand sponsorship deals start at $200 to $2,000 per post. Hit 100K and those deals scale fast. It's a compounding asset. Now, which tool actually makes all of this work? The one I'd recommend is MakeUGC. Over 1,000 AI actors, 50+ languages, 2-minute generation time. Here's the exact 5-step workflow. Step 1. Write your script. And look, you can write your own, or use MakeUGC's built-in script writer. But here's the thing. Script quality is everything. A bad script with perfect AI generation still makes a bad ad. Spend time here. Steps 2 and 3. Pick an AI actor from the library. Over 1,000 options covering every demographic you'd need. Then upload your product image if you want the avatar actually holding it. That product in hand feature is a huge deal for e-commerce ads. Step 4. Hit generate and wait about 2 minutes. That's it. Step 5. Use the built-in editor to add captions, music, B-roll. Export, run it as an ad. The whole process from script to live ad can happen in under 10 minutes, and there's a bunch of power features on top of that. Batch mode for cranking out content in bulk, PDF to video if you've got existing assets, AI image ads, a video agent that automates parts of the workflow. For agencies doing volume, these features are where the efficiency really compounds. So what does this actually cost? Let's walk through the pricing. And by the way, there's a $1 trial to start, which matters, because the right move is to validate before you commit. Startup is $49 a month, 5 videos. Good for your first 30 days of testing, but not production scale. Growth is $69 a month, 10 videos. This is the sweet spot for solo affiliates or small DTC brands running 1 or 2 split tests. Pro is $119, 20 videos, plus custom AI avatar. That's your agency tier. And then there's Enterprise for brands spending $50K plus a month on UGC ads. Custom workflows, dedicated Slack channel, creative strategist, API access. But honestly, for most people watching this, the path is $1 trial, then $69 a month growth plan. That's the right entry. Now, I got to be straight with you about what this doesn't solve. Because if I only gave you the upside, I'd be doing you a disservice. There are real limitations here. Number 1, AI UGC scales creative. It does not scale strategy. If your offer is weak, if your positioning is off, all you're doing is burning money faster with prettier ads. Script quality matters enormously. A bad script with perfect AI generation is still a bad ad. Also, disclosure rules. Meta and TikTok require AI-generated content labels for certain content types. Check those before you run. And if you're doing brand deals with your AI influencer, some contracts explicitly ban AI content. Read the fine print. To be fair, beauty and skincare demos crush with AI UGC. Complex technical stuff? Still better with humans. Here's where it gets real. Let me walk you through 3 income scenarios. These aren't promises. They're based on documented case studies and standard platform economics. Your numbers will vary by niche and execution. Scenario 1, solo affiliate marketer. 4 hours a week, $69 a month for MakeUGC, $500 a month in ad spend. Commissions come back at $1,200 to $2,500. Net profit? $630 to $1,900 a month. That's $7,500 to $23,000 a year, part-time. Scenario 2, small DTC brand. Pro plan at $119 a month, $5,000 in monthly ad spend after you've validated with the trial. At a 3.5x ROAS, that's $17,500 in revenue. After product margins, tool cost, and ad spend, $3,600 a month net. About $43,000 a year. Scenario 3, the agency play. 5 brand clients at $2,000 a month each. That's $10,000 in monthly revenue against $119 in tool cost. Net margin, $9,800 a month. Annualized, $118,000. And that's with only 5 clients. So how do you actually start? Not the theory, the actual steps. Here's your 30-day plan. And listen, the goal in month 1 is not profit. The goal is validation. Step 1, sign up for the $1 trial at MakeUGC. I'll drop the link. Step 2, and this is where people mess up. Pick one product, one affiliate offer, one SKU. Don't spray across 5 things. You need clean signal on whether this works for your specific niche before you scale anything. Step 3. Generate 5 AI UGC variants in your first week. Step 4. Run them with $50 to $200 a day on Meta or TikTok. Step 5. After 14 days, look at the data. Kill the losers. Scale the winners. If it's working, upgrade to Growth or Pro. If it's not, you spend $1 on the trial and a few hundred on ads. Low-risk validation. Quick note on tailoring this. If you're an affiliate, Pair with the highest converting offer in your network. DTC Brand Owner, pick your highest margin SKU. Agency, build a 3-brand portfolio in month 1 as proof of concept. Prove it works small, then scale. Look, the dollar trial exists for exactly this reason. You don't need to commit $100 a month on faith. Spend $1, generate a few ads, see if the quality holds up for your product. If it does, and for most niches it will, you've got a real engine to scale. Links in the description.